Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But yes, let's go revisit our good old friend Cardano. What is really happening with Cardano? Is Cardano about to pull a massive move towards the upside? Because, we're seeing the likes of Solana, we're seeing the likes of Sui, we're seeing the likes of Caspa really outperforming the entire market. Is Cardano next? So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Right now, today, markets are looking insanely bullish. But as far as Cardano is concerned, it's only up 1.1% on the daily time frame. But what I want you guys to pay attention to is on the weekly time frame. Cardano is up 13.1%, and also on the monthly, it's up 26.1%. Yes, it's not up like 30, 40, 50% like other projects, but it's getting there. So let's take a look at the charts, see what is happening, and whether or not we could be seeing a massive God candle come for Cardano in the upcoming days ahead of us. As always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. Looking at Cardano's price, currently sitting at 33 cents. It's up 0.9% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative with the current rank at the top 9th spot. One thing that is really good about Cardano, in my opinion, that a lot of people overlook is the max supply is 45 billion. That's it. 45 billion Cardano and about 35 billion in circulation as of today, November the 4th. Now, the talk that everyone is having is Cardano or Solana. Which one of these two will be the official ETH killers? That term, the long used term. If you're an OG, you know this term has been in existence since the beginning of Ethereum. Two of these projects that I've always said that came close. If you follow me on my channel from day one, I've said two projects come close to it. It's Solana and ADA. ADA has been through quite a bit of FUD as well as Solana, but this bull cycle is going to be the one where, we get the answer which one really is that ETH killer. Right now, Solana is taking a head start. We've seen Solana going absolutely insane, but Cardano really hasn't had its move. So is Cardano about to see a massive breakout? That's what I'm going to share with you guys right now. So if you guys are in the Cardano community, you guys might have heard this, but if not, let's kind of go over this announcement. Cardano has announced its use of Polkadot tech stack for partner chains. And this is huge, not only for Cardano, but for Polkadot as well. And that's why DOT has been going absolutely insane. In short, Cardano is going for sidechains to enhance scalability and enable interoperability, specializing blockchains, leveraging its liquidity and security. After 4 years of research, they opted not to reinvent the wheel for a framework. Instead, they've decided to go with Polkadot SDK, formerly Substrate, for its leading modular and flexible design for an interoperable future. So that's quite interesting to see. Not something that I saw coming, but this is huge and is making headlines across the crypto space. Rather than rebuilding standards and frameworks from scratch, you're welcome to a modular interoperable paradigm with the best available, flexible, robust, battle-tested tech stack. And that is the good news for Cardano. And if you want to really go more into depth with this, would strongly encourage you guys to go look at this thread by Goku, and this is his or hers tag. But now let's take a look at the price, because that's what everyone is here for. And pretty much Cardano hasn't really done anything over the past few months, to say the least. Pretty much been quiet. But remember, we been in a bear market, a lot of negative news coming out, and of course earlier this year we saw SEC come out and label Cardano as a security. But we're seeing the hype factor once again slowly coming back into ADA. So this right here is the historic price pattern, especially for the newcomers coming into the markets. Really want to know where was Cardano years back and where it's currently at now. So ADA back in 2020, the good old days, was around a penny, 2 cents. And if you are an OG, if you've been watching me on my channel for quite some time, we were making Cardano updates right at this level. And then we saw an insane amount of bull cycle come into play. Saw Cardano go up to $3.10. I know a lot of people that became millionaires off of this run, but people are projecting that ADA is going to go up even higher, and this bull cycle, some people are projecting close to $10 or even higher than that. And I've made a whole price prediction on that. If you guys want to go take a look at that, search Crypto ZX, price prediction for Cardano, and it will come into the detail. I threw all the numbers and everything in there, so do go watch that. But for the shorter time scale, we're seeing ADA making some moves right now. If you picked up some Cardano just on the 10th of October, pretty much any crypto, if you picked it up around this range, is up right now, but we're talking Cardano specifically. So October 9th was at 25 cents almost, so you're up about 35%. So great gains definitely being made with ADA. But let me take a closer look at that. That was the bigger picture, but let's take a closer look as to what really is happening. So of course Cardano is breaking out towards the upside, but you can see there's tremendous amount of resistance on its way right now. So main focus for Cardano holders is for the price to get above 39 cents, 39.8 cents, so almost 40 cents you can say. Literally since December, you can't make this up, December of 2022, look how many times the price of Cardano retested this resistance, and every single time it's having a hard time breaking out of there. So this time around, I think, will be different. And if it's able to break out of here, we could see a bull rally coming in for ADA. And in order for us to retest this resistance, it's a 21% move from the current price levels. And last time we did see, Cardano back there was back in May. So it's been quite some time since we've seen the price of ADA at those levels. So these are some targets I'm looking at, and I'm projecting that, we will see ADA pushing back up to these levels. And after that, we will start making predictions what really is next. Right now, everyone's eyes should be on this level of resistance. I know a lot of people coming in, is it going to outpace Solana? Is it going to take over Solana? Let's not get too ahead of ourselves. We need to take this one step at a time. I'm giving you guys most simple technical analysis, easy to understand, and on the daily time frame, charts speaks for itself. This time around, due to the overall momentum, I have a feeling we will see ADA pushing above this resistance, and that is going to attract a lot of attention coming into Cardano in the upcoming weeks, and of course as we close out the year of 2023. But let me know down below what you guys think, and also if you guys want to see more daily Cardano updates. I know I have a huge following from the Cardano community, so if you want to see more daily Cardano updates with news and all of that good stuff, let me know and I will bring you guys that. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.